Hey, good morning, YouTube. It's your boy, Travis of Preston, and I'm still in Savannah, Georgia. I'm at Bonaventure Cemetery, which is definitely one of the main highlights of Savannah, Georgia. So we're gonna take a look and see what we can see. I hear it's real beautiful though. So a lot of pictures. Make sure you check out my Instagram for more behind the scenes pictures and stuff like that, and reels and stuff like that. So make sure you check that out. All right, let's go. Okay, so I've only been walking for a couple of minutes. Definitely wanted to jump in there and say it is a very uniquely done cemetery, beautiful, like I said, with the trees, with the moss. So they do have roads that you can drive your vehicle. Obviously, I'm walking, but yeah, it's very nice, right? So they do have tours of the cemetery. The tour didn't work out with me because of the time. So, it is free to walk amongst yourself. So get a map and then just kind of navigate through the cemetery. So what do you think about the cemetery so far? My Uber driver on the way here, he was saying that his great grandparents are buried here all the way up to, his generation. And he said that he'll be buried here as well. So I don't know how much room they have, but I do know they have it kind of separated with the older side of it and the newer side. So it's a beautiful day out here. Okay, guys. So I think you got a good feel of the cemetery, which you can kind of see. Like I said, I'm gonna be having pop-ups all through the video. I'm at the very back of the actual cemetery. That's the river right there that kind of gives it like a border. All right, so on to the next point of interest, which I do believe I'm gonna try to catch an Uber from here to Warm Slow Plantation. All right.